Most people think budgeting means giving up everything you love, no eating out, no fun, no life. That's why most budgets fail within the first 2 weeks. But what if I told you there's a way to budget that actually works with your lifestyle, not against it? In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a budget that you'll actually stick to. Welcome back to Walter Wealth, the channel where we make money simple. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because every week we drop videos to help you build real wealth. Now let's talk budgets. Here's the truth. Most people fail at budgeting not because they're bad with money, but because they're using the wrong system. They either try to track every single penny, which is exhausting. They just guess how much they're spending and hope for the best. Neither works long term. A good budget has to do 3 things. Number 1, it has to be realistic. Number 2, it has to be simple enough to actually follow. And number 3, it has to give you freedom, not just restrictions. So let me show you the method I recommend for beginners and anyone who has tried budgeting before and quit. The simplest budget that works is called the 50-30-20 rule. Here's how it breaks down. 50% of your income goes to needs. That's rent, utilities, groceries, transportation, the things you literally cannot live without. 30% goes to wants. Yes, wants. Eating out, Netflix, shopping, fun. This is not a punishment budget. You are allowed to enjoy your money. And the last 20% goes to savings and DEBT payoff. This is your future self's money. This is how you build wealth. Now let me show you what this looks like with real numbers. Let's say you bring home $3,000 a month after taxes. $1,500 goes to needs. $900 goes to wants. $600 goes to savings and debt. That's it. Okay, so here's exactly how to build your budget step by step. Step 1, know your income. Write down exactly how much money comes in every month after taxes. If your income varies, use your lowest month as your baseline. Always plan for the worst, hope for the best. Step 2, list all your expenses. Go through your bank statements for the last 30 days. Write down everything you spent money on. Be honest. No judgment here, this is just data. Step 3, categorize everything. Split your expenses into needs, wants, and savings. Some things will surprise you. Most people discover they're spending way more on wants than they realized. Step 4, compare to your income. Are you spending more than you earn? If yes, something has to change. Start by cutting wants, not needs. Step 5, set your targets. Use the 50-30-20 rule as your guide. Adjust the percentages to fit your situation. If you have debt, you might do 50-30-20, putting more toward debt payoff. Step 6, pick a system to track it. You can use a free app like Mint or YNAB, a simple Google Sheet, or even pen and paper. Now here are 3 tips to make sure you actually stick to this budget. Tip 1, pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, immediately transfer your savings amount. Don't wait until the end of the month, there won't be anything left. Automate it if you can. Tip 2, do a weekly money check-in. Spend 5 minutes every Sunday reviewing your spending. Catch problems early before they blow up your whole month. Tip 3, give yourself a fun budget. Seriously, if you don't allow yourself any fun money, you'll quit. Even $50 or $100 a month just for guilt-free spending makes a huge difference. Alright, now you have everything you need to build a budget that actually works. The only thing left is to start. Grab a pen, open a spreadsheet, or download a budgeting app and do it today, not tomorrow. If this video helped you, drop a comment below and tell me what's the hardest part of budgeting for you. I read every single comment, and if you want to learn how to pay off debt fast, watch this video next. I'll see you there. Don't forget to subscribe to Walter Wealth for more videos every week. See you in the next one.